Start with a slip knot and chain 40, or else you can start off with any multiple of 10. One double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. And one double crochet in rest of the stitches. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3, skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch make a single crochet, chain 3, skip the next 3 stitches, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Now repeat this until the end, chain 3, skip 3, one single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, one single crochet, make the last chain 3 and one single crochet in the last stitch, make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. With this method you'll have straight edges. Next on, one double crochet is already made. Now make 3 double crochets into the same stitch. That's total 4 double crochets. Now skip the chain 3 space and we'll be working only into the single crochets. Skip the chain 3, one single crochet on the single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same. 1, 2 and 3. Now repeat the same. Skip the chain 3, one single crochet into the single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the same stitch, next single crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the same stitch, make the last set of stitches. Finally, one single crochet into the last stitch. This is how it will look. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and finally the last. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. Next on, one double crochet is already made, chain 3, one single crochet into this chain 3 space, skip all the stitches, is the chain 3 space, single crochet, chain 3, next chain 3 space, one single crochet, Repeat this. Chain 3, 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space, make the final chain 3, and this is the last stitch. Make 1 single crochet over here. Make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through last 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round, 1 double crochet is already made. Now we'll repeat this pattern. Make 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. That's total 4 double crochets. Skip this chain 3 space and into the single crochet, make 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Repeat this. Skip this chain 3. This is the single crochet, 1 single crochet away, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Make the last set of stitches. And in the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and the last 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet. Next round, 1 double crochet is already made, chain 3, and again we'll be working only into this chain 3 spaces. Skip all the stitches and into this chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet, chain 3, next chain 3 space, 1 single crochet. Continue with the stitches. And finally in the last stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert hook into the first chain and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and the last 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next on, 1 double crochet is already made. Now in this chain 3 space, make 3 double crochets. The chain 3 space, 1, 2 and 3. Next you have the single crochet, make 1 double crochet over here. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches, 3 double crochets into this chain 3 space and 1 double crochet on this next stitch. Next is the single crochet. Make 1 double crochet over here, 3 double crochets into this chain 3 space, and a double crochet on the single crochet. One double crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating the last 6 rounds. That's round number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we'll start with the repeat of round 3. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, chain 3, skip 3, 1 single crochet, this is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.